Number 1. Hair mask. Suffering from dry and frizzy hair? Apply aloe vera gel starting from scalp onto the lower part of your hair. Leave it for 15 minutes, then wash it with water. Aloe vera gel promotes hair growth and this will make your hair smooth and shiny all day. Number 2. Moisturizer. Place your aloe vera gel into the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes, then apply it on your face and areas of the body which are really dry. It provides you a cooling sensation and a soothing relief which makes it really perfect for summer. Number 3. Facial scrub. Aloe vera gel, spatula, sugar, and an empty container. On a clean container, mix 1 teaspoon of sugar and a bit of aloe vera gel. The consistency is all up to your preference. Then scrub it gently to your face to reveal a healthy-looking, glowing skin. Lip moisturizer. Using a clean finger, get some gel and apply it on your lips. This will serve you as a lip balm before applying your favorite lipstick to avoid drying and chapping of lips. Facial mask. You will need aloe vera gel, spatula, honey, clean container, and a brush. Mix honey and aloe vera gel on a clean container until you get this consistency. Apply it on your face and leave it for 20 minutes and rinse it off with cold water. This is perfect for those with sensitive and irritated skin to help them treat their pimples and acne problems. Primer. You will need aloe vera gel and any of your foundation. Run out of primer? Simply mix a bit of aloe vera gel and a foundation at the back of your hand. Blend it by using a sponge. This will help you to create a smooth surface for easier makeup application. Eyelash and eyebrow gel. Curl your lashes first. Use a spoolie to get a small amount of aloe vera gel applied on your lashes using an inward and outward motion. Just be careful. This will make your lashes stick together and making them look thicker. Do this also on your eyebrows to make them stay in place. Makeup remover. This can also be used as a face and eye makeup remover by applying it gently on your face, then grab a tissue to wipe off the gel. It's mild and it's also moisturizes the skin while removing your makeup. Sleeping mask. This hack is my favorite. Simply apply a thick layer of Nature Republic aloe vera gel on your face, leave it overnight. This will replenish your skin, giving you a smooth and a brighter complexion the next morning. Thank you for watching, guys! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!